Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own Wes Anderson video coloring on Capcut. So first, after you add your clips, you need to go to filter and find the movies category and select the green orange and set it to around 50. Now go to adjust. For the brightness, you can just leave it as it is, and the contrast, lower it to -50. Now click on saturation, increase it to 15, and exposure -15. Click on the sharpen, set it into around 40. Now click on the HSL. So for the red, you need to set the hue into 15 and the saturation -25. Now I'm going to go to the blue color and set the hue into -10 and saturation -25. Now for the other color, set the saturation into 25, all of it. Okay, now click on the grabs and make this curve for the white color. Okay, so now go back, click on the highlight and lower it to -10 and shadow 25. And now you are done. So here is the final result. I forgot, for the temperature you need to increase it to 25. Sorry about that. Okay, so after this you are done. You are really done. Okay, so that's all for me. This is the result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.